The DJI Mini 4 Pro, in my opinion, is the perfect drone for anyone who's creating travel videos or travel vlogs. Not only that this thing is literally small enough to fit in my pocket, the image quality that you get out of this little drone is insane. But instead of me just blabbing on about how good this drone is, why don't I just show you? So let's get into the video. ND filters, batteries, where's my spare batteries? Drone, that. I think we are ready to go. I'm feeling I can just go down the mountain, do a couple of backflips, maybe some front flips.
Give me that camera, we're going to see.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is literally looks like something that you get in a Windows wallpaper.
yeah, it's insane.
Ski, help me up.
Yes, brother. There we go. Nicely done.
Thank you very much. Hello. Go on. Huh? Just get better at skiing.
Oh wow.
Go on, mate.
From the start I knew I'd go. I'd get caught in love and so I have to do it and to do it alone. I'm not giving you ground.
I'm coming.
You do nothing for me, but you're making me wait like I really wanna see what.
Penguin walk. Hello. Hello.
Put in a poncho.
To be fair, I undone my little kits. It's a bit hot today.
See what I am without you. Instead you are sinking. I want you to know. I'll let the wind just guide me home. And when I'm there, I'll know I'll be at peace. I don't know how, but I just have to believe.
Ready? Now?
I have to say that from now on, you'll be at rest and I'll be gone. I still hope that we can just get along. I'm not giving you ground, stand on the space to speak. You do nothing for me, but you're making me wait like I really
Drew first blood.
Nice, there we go, man.
Nice.
Welcome to Don't Know the Directions, but we're going to try anyway. Here we go.
You got shots?
Oh, 2 bottles of fuel.
Oh!
Let's take
Right, let's get the drone set up and see if it will track one of us at least. Right.
Attitude mode. Fly with caution.
Oh, please God, hope this works. That was a shocking turn. Too focused on the drone. Drone's still keeping up. still on us. Good sign. Let's go, baby. Right, there he goes. We've lost the drone. All right, where are we? Let's get us back. Let's get us back. I don't know what happened there. The drone still got power. Let's go again. Let's see if we can keep up this time. I think I went a little bit too fast. Yeah, buddy! Oh, I'm well excited to see what the footage looks like. And everything fits into my little bag. Move the water in and in you go. Yes, mate.
I was going to give you a pop. Yeah.
No, I know your legs are sore.
Yeah, that was the quickest that I went down before, but obviously fatigue's hit me now.
Yeah.
The moguls just threw me sideways.
One sec, I need to. I still haven't even.
No, I was just doing a nice outfit.
Wait, stop. Right. And that's why you have skiers, friends.
Yeah, that's why we have snowboarders, so we're allowed to be cool. I don't like where your head's at there, brother.
Oh, sorry.
That's where you get cozy. You guys are coming with me for a minute. Rogue takeover. Yeah, we're going to see where we get.
Way! Hello, it's me again. Right, let's send it. Oh no! Oh, that's the second time this thing broke today. Let's get some food. After like a long day like that, like tastes like three times as better.
I've just got struck in. Look at the amount of meat. I'm going to head straight back.
Yeah, me too.
Right,
have a good ones.
Will do. Enjoy the sauna.
I will
have
do,
a splash
mate.
around. Get a little bit lucky for me.
See you later. I'm gonna call it a day because I am absolutely shattered. We've got a big, long night ahead of us because the Prodigy is playing. Something I'm very excited to see, and I'm gonna get ready for that. So, see you all in the next one. Cheerio. That was a nasty one.